नहीं, जहाँ टीम भेजे, जहाँ टीम की मर्ज़ी उधर मैं बैटिंग करूँगा, इतना कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ओपनिंग और नंबर 3 में ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है, क्योंकि स्पेशली न्यू बॉल तो खेलना ही पड़ता है, सो ज़्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है। एक्चुअली टू बी ऑनेस्ट ज़्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि मेरा बैटिंग पहले से भी सेम रहा है। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेके खेलना है एंड ट्राई एंड फिनिश इट बाय माय ओन, सो नथिंग हैज़ चेंज्ड। It's just that the way you look at the game. I think every time you are more involved now in the game, since that you have captain for the IPL franchise for a long period of time. So you tend to be into the game for a longer period of time, instead of just staying in the boundary outside and just focusing on one ball. As I said, batting wise, it's not made much difference. Yes, definitely challenging तो है, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा यूनिक है। Especially when you have some seam movement, you can still negotiate it if it's coming in one pace, but I feel थोड़ा सा डबल पेस्ड है एंड थोड़ा बाउंस भी वेरिएबल है, तो एक्चुअली उससे थोड़ा डिफरेंस होता है। एंड डेफिनेटली until the ball is new, it's slightly tougher to score runs, but then once the ball is old, fast outfield, relatively small boundary straight, you can still convert your runs after that. एक्चुअली कम्युनिकेशन एक सीनियर प्लेयर की तरफ से नहीं आता है। कम्युनिकेशन एक बैटिंग पार्टनर से आता है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली नॉन स्ट्राइकर से you feel something about particular bowler or particular conditions, and generally whichever team you play for, you have to have that confidence to go and share with your partner whatever you feel, and what are the right options, what to do in certain situations. So definitely this is something which I have been doing it, being part of all the teams, whether state team, IPL team or Indian team as well. And that particular time I felt that, as I said, taking on the fast bowlers, which it was not coming on really nicely, and with the kind of six hitting ability he had against the spinners, I thought, spinners was still yet to come into the game, and then he can take it on later, and he did it really well. एक्चुअली मैं कैप्टन हूँ नहीं, तो मुझे पता नहीं क्या होगा क्या नहीं। ये बहुत ही बड़ा टॉपिक है, इतना टॉपिक पे सोचना भी आई थिंक इट्स नॉट द राइट पॉइंट, एंड to even compare with him, or try to fill in his shoes is relatively very tough and very hard. As I had said in the IPL as well, difficult to fill my best shoes as well. So definitely you want to start your own career, you want to start the way you want to play your own game. So that's the priority right now. Focus on one game, focus on how you can contribute towards the team in whichever position you play, and make sure you are on the winning side more often than not.